because believing is something. If you don't believe, then you can't do it. So you have to be convinced because you cannot lie to yourself. You must be assured that yes, I am going to clear it.
One of my friends said it in a very effective manner that this exam is a game of chess, and in the game of chess, the king is the most powerful thing, but queen has the most power. So compare it with this UPSC, the king is the content, queen is the presentation. So present your answers very effectively, and that will only happen when you do a lot of answer writing. Practice a lot.
I felt like it is a wastage of time, so I left it. The result was that I got into 573 rank. I didn't realize that my fault was that I was not practicing answer writing. Then again, the same thing continued and I got 474 rank.
ये बोलते हैं ना गलती से सीखना चाहिए, लेकिन एक चीज़ बोलना भूल जाते हैं. You should learn from others' mistake also.
I always felt कि हाँ यार ये तो हो ही जाएगा. खासकर इकोनॉमिक्स ऑप्शन के लिए I was कि overall आता ही है. It's not very difficult. But when you start writing that, when you start putting that into paper, it's not really an easy exercise. And that is why the mains test series, the prelims test series, etc. becomes extremely important.
One more problem which students face generally is they are very reluctant. They are very enthusiastic about writing test, but when they go into test and they feel very reluctant what to write. They think, okay, I'll write in the exam itself. What's the point in writing it here?
I remember in Vision IAS test series, I joined the 12 test, sectional test between mains and pre and mains. I got 1 mark in one question. Because मेरे को खुद पता था यार मैंने कचड़ा लिखा है. Because I did not understand the question. I was not in the right frame of mind. So for attempting ethics, you have to have a clear frame of mind.
A lot of people I met had not even finished the paper. It is very big.
2015 में जब हम लिखे थे तो I had solved 0 टेस्ट पेपर. 2016 में जब लिखे तो 5 टेस्ट पेपर हम सॉल्व किए थे. 2017 में जब मैंने अटेम्प्ट लिखा उस साल मैंने 60 टेस्ट पेपर्स किए. फिर मेरा स्कोर जो था वो था 120 और उस साल कट ऑफ था 105.33.
आप कितना भी पढ़ लें, you can learn whole of spectrum, you can learn all of economics, पूरा current affair. It will not be more helpful than solving about 20 test papers.
आपको मैं एक किताब पकड़ा दूँ और बोलूँ कि रट के मेरे को जब मैं पूछूंगा तो बताना. तो हो सकता है कि ऐसी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होंगी जो आपके दिमाग में ना जाए. उसी बुक से मैं 100 MCQ बनाकर आपको दे दूँ और एक टेस्ट वाले एनवायरनमेंट में आपको बिठा दूँ और बोलूँ कि इसको सॉल्व करो, और बाद में जब मैं आपसे वो MCQ डिस्कस करूँ, नेक्स्ट डे 2 बच्चे हैं, नेक्स्ट डे अगर मैं सेकेंड वाले से पूछूंगा कि व्हाट इज योर रिटेंटिव पावर, कितनी चीज़ें आपको याद है, द वन हु हैज गिवन टेस्ट उसको वो चीज़ ज़्यादा याद रहेगी.
I was a विजन का टेस्ट सीरीज का स्टूडेंट, सो दे हैड दिस टेस्ट पेपर्स. मई में कभी उन्होंने कोई एथिक्स के टेस्ट लिए थे. I went through that. I went through the answer booklet. I understood कि आंसर लिखते कैसे हैं. This is where this test series has helped me, and which is why I say कि test series is the most important investment that you can make.
टेस्ट सीरीज में प्रॉपर स्केड्यूल होता है. 1 वीक में देयर इज अ टेस्ट. इफ यू फॉलो दैट वेरी रेगुलरली, religiously, rigorously, then things become very easy. So what I did was I used to follow the test series ka schedule.
On the Vision website there is a sheet in which the meaning of all these terms is given. That when it is written critically analyze, what you have to write. When it is followed by critically comment, what you have to write. So go through that sheet.
Try to see as many questions as you can. In the beginning it will be a slow and you may find it very boring and all that. But trust me, when your mental framework is ready, then you'll enjoy writing answers.
मेरा ये एम था कि मैं इतना कंफर्टेबल हो जाऊं by giving a test कि when I give the main test UPSC, तब मेरे लिए it should not be different from the other test that I was giving. I should be so comfortable with that.
Your thinking part is generally missing. People read, people write, but they don't think. And unless you think, unless you analyze what the question is being asked about, your marks will not reflect in that.
This year I wrote almost 20 tests of vision, and it was like I thought that this is the actual exam I writing.
The mains test series program of Vision, it is really good. The checking etc. is very professional, and here you will find out what is wrong about you.
First attempt, I did not see any external feedback. तो मेरे को नहीं पता पड़ पाया पूरे टाइम कि I was writing good answers. That is the second attempt I joined this test series. The test series, like if you join or if you send your answers to somebody to evaluate and all, then you get a feedback. In your case feedback मिलता है कि जो है देख लो 20 नंबर में से 2 नंबर आए हुए हैं. Then you think,
Teachers gave me the feedback that this strategy is wrong, this strategy is right, this structure is wrong, or this structure is right. So I analyzed myself better, and I think that was a major reason that I could secure this rank this time.
It is very essential that you have joined this. This is a very reputed place, of course. तो आप यहाँ के कोचिंग के पेपर्स ले लें, कहीं और के ले लें. You have any other guidance, somebody giving you papers, do it.
I think test series is the most important thing. If you do not write, you cannot write in the mains.